Top time here at Unique Specialty and Classics. 1965 Ford Mustang Convertible. This is a C code car, so 289 underneath the hood. That is paired up with a C4 automatic transmission. Has had a repaint and color changed through the years. Originally would have been a prairie bronze, I believe it was. Obviously you can see red now. Now this particular car, I'm going to go around it. It is an older repaint. Could use a little TLC. I would kind of call it, if you running driving project, if you wanted to bring it to the next level, great, repaint it, get it looking a little stronger as far as the exterior goes. But as far as underneath the hood, runs smooth, interior's nice on it, so you could still drive it the way it is if the paint doesn't matter to you a whole lot. And kind of what I'm talking about is it just shows its age. There's places where the paint is peeled off, a lot of little spots, and you can see that the paint's kind of crazing or checking, if you will, and it shows its age. That's all there is to it. But we're going to start it up and check out the engine bay, let you hear it run. We'll look at the interior. You can see the underside interior pics, engine bay pics, trunk pics. All of those can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Of course, you can call us too, 507-386-1726. Now, it is priced accordingly. So, I mean, if you're looking for a deal on a convertible 65 Mustang, this is actually theoretically a 64 and a half, FYI, but of course Ford called them all 65s. But you can tell that this one was made in October of 64 as far as the build on it. So it is a little earlier one. Also nicely equipped underneath the hood. It does have AC added to it and power steering. Here's some more of those spots where you can see the paint's just peeled off. Now if you went up and looked around the bottom of the car, above and below, around the wheel wells, does not look at all bad. It seems to be mostly the paint condition. Interior, black vinyl. And that appears to be fine. Carpeting, dash, all of that, very presentable. Front buckets, center console. You have the shifter down there on the floor to that C4 automatic. It does also have a power top. Now remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. There's also going to be some extras that come with this. As you can see, radiator fan blade, and then a dust cover, wheel covers. There is the cover for the convertible top when it's down, a little duffel bag. The white cover right there is like a cockpit cover, and then the supports for it. There's some miscellaneous parts, anything from dashboard bezel for around the speedometer. As you can see, some plumbing for heating. And then there's just carbs, filters, or I should say a carb tune-up kit, filters. I think there's some headlights, look through your mirrors, a float. So some different components there also that will go with it, extra parts that will be in the trunk. If you want to know exactly, you could double check with the sales associate if you were to purchase this car before it gets shipped to you. And again, still pictures, so you can see every part of this car, top to bottom, inside and out. Still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. The old TLC area back here need to be fixed. Paint chipping here, but again, you can see solid metal. It's one nice thing about having some of those paint spots you can see past. Take a look up and down passenger side, or excuse me, the driver's side. Again, you can see the bottoms and around the wheel wells. Again, if you're looking for an early convertible Mustang, maybe take to the next level, or you want to save a few bucks and drive it the way it is, here you go. Door panels or door cards in nice shape. Again, seats not full of rip tears. Holes also show nicely. And we'll run up the top too, but you can see the top up and down in the still pictures, and we'll run it up here at the end of this video. Give you a quick walk around it before we finish so you can see what kind of shape it's in. Notice there was an alternator light there also. Fuel gauge works. I have had the wipers working. The radio will power up. Didn't have any reception, but that may be because we're in a building here. The fan and the compressor and everything kicks on in the AC when I turn it on, but I have not had it blowing cold, FYI, so may need a charge. A little TLC there, but you can hear the compressor kick on and off. Again, C code 289 underneath the hood. As you can tell, a smooth runner. All right, I'm gonna slip up to the front. Let's pop this hood. I want you to check out the engine bay, take a look at that, and then we'll finish up by checking out that convertible top.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Wow, that's how smooth that runs. Nice tidy looking engine bay. Didn't have to spend a lot of time on this. Like I said, it seems to be the majority of it's the paint. Maybe a little TLC on the top. Depends on how much you're going to drive with that top up. But yeah, that engine sounds good. Smooth runner. And again, power steering, AC, paired up with automatic transmission. All right, I ran the top up too while I was getting the hood open. Power top works flawlessly. Right up and right down. Not a problem. You can see it fits up in the windshield nicely. It is latch tight. You'd notice one spot right here. A little tear in it. And again, is it one you want to fix? Just from the inside. Make it patch so it works. Or take it to the next level. Put a new top on it, new paint job. Again, price accordingly. Take your choice. You're the lucky next owner. Have a little fun with this car. The rest of it, not bad at all. Rear window, you can see sagged a little bit there. Looking to save a few bucks on a Mustang, drive it the way it is. Like I said, taking the next level. Here you go, 1964 and a half or 1965 Ford Mustang convertible. C code car, 289 underneath the hood, automatic. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.